talking about these two RC boats. It is the winter, I cannot drive them, but when I can drive them, I will post it. So, this is going to be my fourth video I'm going to post. As you can see, that's not part, but this is everything. Okay, here you can see this for the servo, the motor. I will make this brushless, and this motor wrench can. And then same on this one. Here are the covers. You got this one, and then this one. You can see this, all that. And these boats. This one's Pro Boat, Jet Jam. This one's just $100 off Amazon. So to open it up and do that here. So you grab this, you put this on, and then you twist that. Yeah. Also got a twist. Maybe it would twist. Oh, that's why. There's a cord down there. Twist that. Twist that. You can see they're all up. This one doesn't want to go down. There's a big battery there. So this brushless one takes this battery, goes in this boat, and then you can see here, there's a little slot there. You push it in, and then wait till it's. Oh my god, this charging cord's so annoying. And this would usually go on. Jeez, it doesn't just. There, finally. Oh my god, and then it doesn't want to. And then, yeah, you do that. This one, same thing. You do that. And then turn. Oh, should not have that sticking out. So you want to make sure this is in there. Yeah, gotta. So this one, this propeller comes in this boat, and that's really it. You can really see that's it. So I hope you like this video. See you next time.